I purchased this for under $90.
If you want less stress, you gotta rock out with the best. I'm talking just so blessed, I'm talking just so blessed.
Hi everybody, I'm Jess and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a V-part wig that I purchased from Amazon. It is very affordable, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is the packaging that the wig came in. Okay, it says affordable luxury wig. Now I have not yet opened this package yet, so we're going to find out what's in here. Okay, so we have here the V-part wig. Okay, it says 18-inch length. It is 150% density, and it is also 100% human hair, virgin human hair. Okay, and there's some other goodies in this bag. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, wow. It came with eyelashes. A deluxe wig cap. And we have this. I believe this is a headband. Okay, yeah, it's a headband. Very cute. Okay, so that's everything that came in there. Let's get started with this review. Okay. I like how it feels. Oh my gosh. First off, this hair smells. So before wearing it, you would definitely need to wash it and condition it. No joke, it smells. Ugh. Okay, it's just some stuffing that's in there. And take off the net. Okay, this is what under the wig looks like. It has 3 combs, one at the back, 2 at the sides, and in the area where the V part is, it has 5 clips. Okay, it also has adjustable straps, so you can tighten it or loosen it. Okay, now this hair, it feels great. It really does. Now I have not yet washed this hair. I'm just going to do a review and try it on, and then I'll wash this after the review. It is a kinky curly wig. Now with this wig, you don't need to have a leave out, but I decided to have a small leave out in the front of my hair. I flat twist it and bantu knot it so it could blend in better. Okay, so let's take this scarf off my head. Okay, so I have my hair braided back, and that's not necessary for this wig either. You can just pull your hair back in a ponytail and slap this wig on. You're good to go. So what I'm going to do, since I haven't washed this wig as yet, I'm going to put on my wig cap. Okay, just so I wouldn't get that scent all over my hair there. And then we can install this. I'm going to tighten the straps. Okay, there. And then I'm going to put this on. Oh, gotta open the clips first. feels pretty secured. Now, for the part that I'm leaving out, this is my hair. I hope it blends in. Okay, now I just need to part my hair. Okay, so this is the wig. Okay, it is lovely. I love it. I purchased this for under $90, okay? And it is well worth it. For $89.94, this is an awesome deal, okay? So once I wash this and put some leave-in conditioner on it, put some mousse on it, define the curls a bit, this is going to be lovely, okay? And that's it for this review. I love this wig. Like I said, it's affordable, and yeah, it's it's definitely worth the price, okay? If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, push the post notification bell so you can be a part of the Blessed Fam. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.